Welcome to Loya's Cleaning Services. Today we're going to share our new cleaning and disinfecting 1, 2, and 3 pass cleaning system.
2-pass system for routine cleaning and disinfecting. Spray and wipe. Step 1. Gather equipment, tools, and chemical. Step 2. Review treatment map, drawing or blueprint of office, floor, or facility. Label cleaning routes. Step 3. Put on personal protective equipment, gloves, and safety goggles. Step 4. First pass. Cleaner will spray and wipe surfaces with a detergent cleaner to remove germs and dirt from surfaces and touch points. Vacuum floors. Step 5. Second pass. Cleaner will spray cleaning cloth with disinfectant and wipe surfaces and touch points. The solution will remain wet for 5 to 10 minutes and will be allowed to dry. This will kill germs on a surface after cleaning. It can further lower the risk of spreading infection. Step 6. Continue to use the 2-pass system until all areas are completed. Step 7. Once completed, go to janitorial room to clean equipment. Place cleaning cloths in a bag for laundering and remove personal protective equipment. Step 8. Clock out and secure area.